Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves creating stunning presentations and design, you probably already know about Canva. It's an awesome tool for creating beautiful slides, posters, social media posts, and more. But what happens when you are creating something amazing in Canva and now need to take it to another platform like PowerPoint? Well, that's where things get tricky, especially if you have added animations or transitions to your Canva designs. PowerPoint and Canva are two powerful tools, but getting them to work seamlessly together can sometimes be a bit of a challenge. So, what if I told you that it is actually possible to transfer your Canva designs to PowerPoint without losing those cool animations? So, in this video, we are going to be talking about how to do it exactly. We will cover everything that you need to do to make sure your animations and designs come out looking just as good in PowerPoint as they do in Canva. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description box below. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by coming at canva.com. So you need to type canva.com in the search bar and you will be landed on this page. Over here, you just have to log in into your Canva account and the interface of Canva should look something like this. Now here, we will need to create our design. So you just have to hover over to this presentation section and click on presentation. Now once you do this, a blank canvas will be opened in front of you. Now this is the fun part where you get to be creative. You can start by designing your slides in Canva as usual. You can use all the features that Canva offers you like text, images and graphics. You can even just go to the design tab and here you will see some of the by default templates. So you can click on any of the templates and you can just take a look at the version of those templates. So let's say you want to add this template in your canvas, so you just have to select that template just like so and it will be added in your canvas. Now in order to add second slide of the presentation, you just have to first of all click on the plus icon, then go to the design tab again and here you just have to simply click on that second slide which you want to add in your presentation. So this way you just have to keep on adding the designs just like so and all of your presentation designs will be created. Now is the time to animate them, so you just have to select that particular text and the file which you want to animate. For example, let's say I want to animate this particular image over here. So after selecting this image, you will see the animate option in the top. So you need to click on animate and you will see a bunch of different animations here like rise, pan, fade, pop, wipe, blur and so on. So you just have to hover over on each one of these and it will show you the preview of how your image will look in the left hand side. So let's say I want this wipe animation on my image, so I'm gonna click on this one and it is showing me the preview how the image is going to look if I apply this animation. Now once you selected the animation, you will see bunch of different options here to actually customize your animation. So if you want it to the both side, you can select that. If you want to put it on enter only, you can select that. If you want to put it on exit only, you can select that option. For this video, I'm going to keep it on both. Now if we talk about the speed, so the animations come with their default speed, but if you don't like the speed, if you want to increase or decrease it, you can also do that with the help of this slider. Next we have the option of directions, so you can select the direction of the starting of that particular animation. As you can see that it is starting from left hand section, but let's say I want it to start from top to bottom, so I have selected the bottom option and now it is appearing just like so. You can also see the reverse exit animation, so you can just turn this on if you want to, and you will also see some of the other animation editing and customization options in the bottom. So if you want to remove the animation, you can select that as well, like you can select remove animation and it will be removed, and then you can select any other if you like. So let's say I want to give my image this animation. Next we hover over to the text, so you need to select the text and here you will see a bunch of different suggested animations. So let's say I want to give this animation to my texts. So once you have created an eye-catching presentation that actually reflects your styles and your messages, now is the time to export it to your PowerPoint. So you need to make sure that all of your slides are in order. You can check that by hovering over to this section. You can even use this slider to make it zoom in and zoom out. Now if you have used any advanced animation feature, you need to double check that they are applied correctly. As I showed you previously that I have applied the animation on these two. So here you need to keep in mind that PowerPoint may not always support every type of animation that you add in Canva, while some basic animations like fade in and text effects will likely to transfer. More complex transitions might need a bit of tweaking in PowerPoint later. So you need to just click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and over here you will see the option of export. So you can just download it, and after clicking on download, you can select the mode here. You will see PPX, so you need to select PPX, that is PowerPoint's extension. So after selecting PPTX, you just have to click on the download button, and this file will be downloaded in your device. Then you just have to simply open it in your PowerPoint and see if the animations are working properly. If you see that animations need some tweaking, you can do that by using the PowerPoint's default animation tools, and this way you can basically convert your Canva files, Canva presentations to your PowerPoint. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.